Hello, folks. Thank you for coming out tonight. Would you mind telling us how long you've been members of the museum?
I think we've been less than a year, actually, right? I believe at this point.
I don't know. You handle that.
Less than a year, actually. It's been awesome ever since we started.
Oh, great. And do you have a favorite piece in the collection? Do you have a favorite object, or what's your favorite part of the museum?
Oh, man. I personally love all the history. I think that's really exciting. We actually live in Wellsboro, so that's a lot of glass history there. So we're really excited to come up here and see a lot of that as well.
Yeah, I think in addition to that, kind of what drew us recently has been some of the exhibits from the Blown Away season. We've enjoyed that too as well.
Great choice. And so as relatively new members, what's your favorite part of being a member so far?
Getting to do exciting things like this is our first exhibit that we're getting to come open, and getting to come to the night of things that they have here has just been a lot of fun, and bringing other family members, since we have people always come and visit us now. It's great to have them come up and get to bring them out here and bring them to the museum, which is great.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
enjoy
you.
your evening.
Thank you.
Join our museum member community to enjoy free admission and exclusive event invites, connect with curators and artists, and to support arts and sciences. Give the gift of membership, and your friends and family will enjoy an entire year of amazing experiences at the Corning Museum of Glass.